Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about synchronization using the lock function that we are going to use over here, and that is in multi-threading. Okay, so from threading import everything, import time also, and we have created one lock object which is L, and we have one function with two parameters, name and age, and also one for loop. Now here two things very important. Using the lock object you can use acquire method or function, and also using the same object you can use the release function. And here we have one line which is in comment right now. Okay, and then we have created two threads, T1 and T2, and for both the thread target is the same function which is wish only, but with two different parameter. So Prakash and 35 for T1, and Karan and 25 for T2, and we have used T1 dot start and T2 dot start. So both the threads will start simultaneously, but because of this concept of lock, at a time only one thread will have access of wish function first, and then once it is done, then only second thread will get a chance. So we will check the output over here. Control S F5. Okay, see we are getting high and Prakash and age 35 continuously three times, and then we are getting high and current continuously three times. Okay, high because it is already there in your double quotation over here. But suppose if I use this time.sleep, okay, now control S and F5. See, we are getting high Prakash, then age and again high, then age again high, then age again. Now it is showing high current. So thread 2 started. Okay, so you can use this concept also in multi-threading. That is obviously just to avoid conflict between two threads. We have used this acquire function and release function. Thank you everyone.